I got a package in the mail. Okay, we are not going to waste any time. We're going to go ahead and open up this little box here and see what we have inside for you all. This is a brand new item for 22, and you're about to see exactly why I'm so excited about it as we carefully open up the box here, and voila, here we go. My friends, check this out. We have Series 22, new for 2022. We have a female and we have a male. In fact, we have 4 total here that we're going to present to you guys, and I'm pretty excited about this. These are going to be the first 4 of the Series 22 figures, and we're going to see exactly which ones we're going to be adding to our ever-growing collection of clickies. So let's go ahead and check these out. So the ones that I'm really wanting are practically all of them. The one I can do without is probably the mermaid. I don't really have a use for her, or whatever. I don't know if this is an ice skater or a ballerina or what. Or a gymnast. This one I was going for. Probably don't really care much for that one, but I mean, I'll take it regardless because it's a new figure. So let's go ahead and do this one. And as you guys remember, you should open these from the very bottom. So that's what we're going to do today. I really want either the sailor or the steampunk girl. And guess what? Look what I got. Her arm was sticking out, waiting for me. We got the steampunk girl. And look, here's her rifle. That's like the gun that Doc Brown has in the Back to the Future 3 movie and the Playmobil toy. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, what a great way to start the video. Alright, so check this out. We have a new different kind of little paper here with the various figures that you can collect. And then on the other side, I have to be very careful here. It says that there's a new Playmobil Figures app, and it doesn't go over what it's for, but I am covering with my thumb here a code, and I don't want to share it with everybody. I'm sure I'll use this before I post this for all to see, but you can at least get the the download code there. So that's exciting. We'll see what that's all about at a later time. So let's go ahead and put this away and start assembling our figure. There she is. Really nice. I really like this. And then she's got her rifle. Don't quite. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, let's move on to the boys. For the boys, I really want this waiter that's like a zombie. The pirate actually looks pretty cool, but I'm kind of getting burned out from pirates. The judge, I want. The fiddler, I want. The police guy, I want. The robber, I want. The merman, I'd like to. All the other ones are cool. I still don't know what it is. What is that? Oh, I got the hockey player. Cool. There's a lot of pieces in here. Wow, it's ridiculous how many pieces are in here. So he's a goalie, because the goalies wear these big boots to protect their shins. Then here's this, and then he's got his glove, and then he's got his skates, which fit in from the back. we're going to do the other boy. Alright, I haven't done the feel test, but I don't care. Open it from the bottom. Check it out. So I got another hockey player, but you know what? This is what we're going to do. I'm going to actually recycle the parts and use it, because I could use it as a new head, and the pants and the top. We're going to go ahead and recycle this, use it for a new character. Alright, so we're going to set that aside and move on. Which one do you think it is? Who do I want it to be? Either the comic book artist, the reindeer, Little Red Riding Hood would be cool, and the Sailor Girl, or the Bumblebee. I like her too. Can I get it open? Oh my, guys, look at this. We got doubles on everything. So we only got 2 new figures today. That's okay, because I can do stuff with this too. So yeah, I'm not gonna put these 2 together. Well, there you have it, guys. Our 2 new figures out of the 4 we had to unbag for you today. A little disappointing, but I can always use the extra parts for different clickies of my own. But anyway, we'll have another box of Series 22 coming soon, so be sure to check it out. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I understand. This was not the best video. Maybe next time. But thanks for watching anyway. Please subscribe to us if you haven't yet, and follow us on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. Until next time, guys, thanks a lot. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.